Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over the basics on how to use a Kindle Paperwhite. So powering it on by clicking the power button at the bottom, that'll wake it up and bring us to our home page. Now, if you want to get access to all of the tutorial videos that I've ever made on the Kindle Paperwhite, I'll have that playlist posted down in the description so you can check that out. But like I said, this is just going to be the basics on how to use the device, and then at the end I'm going to show you how you can purchase Kindle ebooks to get them over onto your Kindle Paperwhite. So starting off, we can go to our library either by clicking on From Your Library, or there's a library tab down here in the bottom right hand corner, and that's nice to switch back and forth between the library page and your home page, which has a button down in the bottom left hand corner. To open up our menu options, we do a long drag from the top of the screen. There's airplane mode, there's Bluetooth, which you can turn on and off, and if you want to set up Bluetooth headphones, you can listen to audiobooks or listen to text-to-speech. You can turn on or off dark mode. You can sync your device if you've purchased books recently and they haven't come over to your Kindle. You can sync the device to try to get that download to start, or you can open up the all settings by clicking on that. The all settings is going to bring you into a menu that has a lot more options. It's going to show you your Amazon account that's linked up. If you want to add an additional Amazon account, it's the second option right here. You can set up your internet, Wi-Fi connection, or Bluetooth devices. And there's some additional options down there as well. I'm going to head back to the previous page by exiting out. And also in this drag down menu, you can adjust your screen brightness and the warmth of the color. So to exit out of this, just tapping onto the screen. So now to go over to our library. And in our library, I'm going to click on a book that I'd like to read. It'll load it up. And to go back pages, you tap over on the left-hand side of the screen. To turn to the next page, you tap on the right-hand side of the screen, so you can go back and forth that way. If you want to bring up that menu that we were at previously, again, it's a long swipe from the top. But if you want to bring up the menu for the book itself, it's just a tap at the top. You can change things like the font. You can look at your notes or bookmarks, or you can look for specific names or words or phrases. You can also jump back and forth in the book by selecting one of these options at the bottom and dragging and dropping which page that you'd like to skip to. So that's a nice option to skip way forward in a book if you'd like to do that, or go way back. And to exit out of a book, we just tap towards the top of the book and then we click the back button, and it'll either say library or home depending on which page that you came from, but we can click on that back and it'll take me back to the library in this instance because that's what it said on that back button. So those are the main features on how to use your Kindle Paperwhite, and to wrap up this video, I'll take you over to Amazon's website to show you how you can purchase Kindle ebooks to put them onto the device. Now, this page is my favorite way to go about looking for Kindle ebooks, and I'll link this page down in the description so you can check it out for yourself. But I like sorting by bestsellers to see what's most popular. And over here on the side, I also like sorting by the types of books that I'm interested in. So again, for me, science fiction and fantasy. And that'll bring me over to this page that shows me the bestsellers in this particular genre. But also, of course, in Kindle ebooks, you can just simply search for the title of the book that you're looking for, and that's another quick way to go about finding what you want to get. So once you find a book that you'd like to purchase, you can click on it. Now, this particular book happens to be free. This isn't typical, but if you want a video on how to get free books in Kindle, I'll have a separate tutorial video linked down in the description on how to do that. But to get the book, I'm going to click where it says Buy Now with one click. And it says thank you. It has the book that I just purchased. You can continue shopping by clicking that option. But this book will now be sent over to your Kindle Paperwhite. Now, to round out this video, for whatever reason, if a book that you've purchased isn't showing up on your Kindle device, you can always go to this page. So you go to Returns and Orders, then you click on your digital orders and it'll show you what you've purchased. You can click on where it says Manage Content and Devices. And then to send over a book manually, you can click on where it says Deliver or Remove from Device. And then click on the device that you'd like to send it to, and then click Make Changes. And then it will manually send that book over to the device that you had selected. So I hope this video was helpful, touching on some of the basics on how to use a Kindle Paperwhite. And if you'd like to see my full playlist of videos on the Kindle Paperwhite device, I'll post that down in the description. So thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.